So I'm here in the Ballarò area. It's an outdoor market, Arab style street market here in Palermo. Look at all these fresh fruits and vegetables. These are pomegranates here. And then you have some, these are called broccolo. It's actually kind of like a green cauliflower. They call them broccolo. And then here we got a pumpkin. Look at these fresh tomatoes here. Fresh tomatoes. We got artichokes that are purple. Purple artichokes. Eggplants here. Look at these peppers. These are called, these are broccoli, what we know as broccoli, but they call them sparacelli. And then here we got some zucchini, potatoes. And then this market here goes on for a while. You can buy all different types of clothing, street food, fish, meats, souvenirs, everything. So I'm here in Palermo in the Ballarò market. Okay, everyone. Hope you have a great day. Ciao, ciao.